guys, good morning to you all, and I hope you're all doing great. I'm also well done for you all creating your VTU websites. I hope by now we have all been able to complete the VTU website, and the link should be able to available to everyone, and the server should be available online, meaning that the website should be available online. Like when people click on it, it should direct them to your VTU page. So congratulations to you all, and you're all welcome to the financial journey on how to become at least, if not a millionaire, let's say thousand as a profit. Okay, so now the main purpose of me doing this video is that I want to teach you guys on how to make money with this VCU website you own. You can't just have it and just abandon it. So in my own view, it's a waste of money actually. So if you don't implement what you have learned. Okay, so I'll just share some few steps on how to make money using it. So the first one is make people visit your website regularly. So how will you make people to visit your website regularly? By generating lists. So that is the first one actually. You can't do without generating lists. So the thing is that I don't know, I told you guys about it when I was in the group or in the videos, or I don't say to remember it actually. I said when I was in high school then, so I introduced the VTU site to almost all the students, and I've made a lot of money from it, very lot, because each and every amount of data, airtime, and everything, for every transaction that they make on that site, I was earning profits, profits back to back, back to back, back to back. So that is that about the VTU site. You have to generate at least have up to 10 to 20 people signing up to your site, and making sure that up to 8 to 12 or 15 of them are purchasing data 8 times and making very good use of it on your VTU website. Okay, so the thing now is that how are you going to get the people that are noticing? So you have to generate some leads. Okay, just some leads, and after generating the leads, it's not very assurable that those people are going to use it. So the method you're going to use is that, which I also use, is that you say that okay, this is what they are going to do when they join it, and when they are using it, you reward the best let me say I use the queen of sales and the king of sales, my own, actually, for a month, and my own tax is very very hard. The thing is that I said if you're able to reach up to 100 transactions, we're able to perform 100 transactions, meaning that you're able to buy maybe airtime, data, everything like that for up to 100 times on my site, and I see a lot of people performing very well, and the person that does it is a woman actually. So the woman was named the queen of sales. Yeah, that was in 20 I don't seem to remember actually. So the person was named the queen of sales then, and some people are also at 90s, 80s, and some other stuff like that. So with that, you can able to impress people to continue using it, continuation, promise them a very good amount of money. You should the thing is, you analyze the total amount of money you make, your price setup. You should have checked everything. Okay, these are the gains I will gain for each and every transaction that they make. Okay, when I plus all the gains together, just try multiplying. Okay, let me say for example now, people buy up to 100 naira 8 times on my site, 10 times in a day. So what are the profits am I going to see? Let me say for example now, I'm getting to 200 naira from it. I mean 20 naira from it. So you can add that to 20 naira times 10. So I think that should be 20 naira times 10. Let me do the calculation. Okay, that should be 200. So just in a day, calculate for the data as well, calculate for some other stuff. And the thing about this is like, I think jam is also about it. You can also tell people that are going to do jam, they say, okay, let them buy pins from your site. I think that pins I made for every this thing around my time, I made up to 700 naira, 500 naira, 600 naira for a profit. So I don't know about the specific price now. You know, a lot has changed. So that's just about this thing that you have to work very hard, like for people to use it, and for people to use like that. First of all, target your transactions. Make sure that people are using it very well, and you know, say that transaction that when they make up to, let me say, 50 transactions, you can start from 50 transactions. You can start from 20 transactions. It depends on how, like, you know, you are still startup trying to grow in this marketplace. So you can just start from small, then later maybe after 2 to 3 months you can say, okay, you want to do this type of offer again, like that. And this will be like very beneficial for those who are a graphic designer. You know, you can just create a very stunning flyers and all these things. Okay, and if you actually need a flyer, you can reach out to me, so I may help you. So if I'm like very available, so I love helping people like that. Okay, so that is about it. Second thing is that when, like, how should I put it? Okay, let me say, when like they perform, when they refer people, try and reward them as well. Try and reward for everything. Is like that is week. You can just start for that for just like a week or a month. After, like, let me say for example now, you having, let me say for example now, you plan that maybe it's just an example, like I didn't tell you, or I didn't recommend you to just put the specific price. I'm just telling you guys the guidelines on how to do it. So let me say for example now, you say for every person that you refer gets 100 naira, and for you to be credited in your wallet you have to refer up to 5 people, which is 100 naira. So you can be credited 100 naira. Then you can create the community on WhatsApp. Okay, you name it your VTU site name. Then people join it. Then you show the result that, okay, you are truly paying. People love something that is paying. From there they start referring, so people will keep signing to your site. They keep on signing up to your site. They keep on signing up to your site. And the more they sign up to your site, you should tell them that, okay, there's this program I'm doing that, okay, if you perform up to this transaction, you gain this amount of money, and a free let me say let me say I will give you up to 2,000 naira or 5,000 naira, and I also like update your account from just a normal subscriber to let me say a vendor or anyone like that. So people like keep on like, and the engagement will start growing, like from 10 to 20, from 20 to 50, from 50 to 200, like that. Even you may have up to 1,000 naira from first. As a business owner like you now, you guys are no longer like you're no longer a normal average person. I don't know, maybe some of us are into business or not, but since we're already doing this now, we're not a business owners. And for every business, you either see gain or loss. There's no how you do any business that you not face these two challenges. You surely face loss, and you surely face gain. So for this video side, me actually like, first, let me just face the loss. Like, let me spend a lot of money on it. Okay, and you have to do all this your normal balance sheets. Like, for example, it's not compulsory though. Let me say, okay, how much is the income I gain from this? How much is the expenses? Okay, something like that, sha. But that one's for your personal like area. Let me say, for example, in this thing that saying that how should I put this? Okay, I put 10,000 naira into this my wallet, and people start using, so my money grew from 10,000 naira to, let me say, in my wallet. You know, when people find their wallets as well, it will reflect, so it will keep reflecting. Now say my money increased to 11,500, which is like, for example, now you made a profit of 1.5. Okay, so you now go and put it down as your income. Okay, so um if you now like want to buy anything, maybe I want to go to shopping, I want to buy some just snacks or any other thing. When you buy it, just put it at the expenses. Your money has got like that. So income is when something is coming inside, and expenses when something is going outside. So don't let me divert. So just first point I mentioned is that transaction, when they make a lot of transaction, reward. Second thing I mentioned is that when they refer, reward. Okay, so just try and figure out the scope. It's very easy to do. Just a very very simple things. And the third thing is I think I wanted to mention is that um you can also earn money by like helping others to create a VTU website. For example, now you paid a total amount of, let me say, either 2,000, either 3,000, either 5,000, either 3,000 for this course, or for everything you made. Maybe you let's say, for example, now for everything it's up to 20,000 naira or 30,000 naira. Just for example, let me say 20,000 naira. Okay, so now, someone has to, wow, like this is impressive. Like someone just came to your DM and said that I would like to also create this type of stuff. Like, can you help me with it? Then you say that okay, it requires a lot of money. Like, if you're able to go on with it, just explain some advantages of it and also some just slightly disadvantage of it. And if the person accepts, then you can now move on. So, but you are not going to actually like give the person the actual price you lent and everything. No, for example, you everything for the course and the VTU side and everything is 20,000 naira. Then you are not expected, like you are not expected to tell the person that for everything that the person is going to do after is 20,000 naira. No, if the person comes to me, I may charge the person either 40 or 30. Yeah, but for you may charge the person like up to 23,000, 25,000, 27,000, like that. So it depends. But let me just show you guys on how to do that. So let's go to Samora bot. Samora bot. Oh god. Okay, so we're now on our with you page. Alright, so you guys know everything about this thing already. So let's see. So actually, like they have not linked your BVN and everything, so you should do that. It's going to be very very like useful. So for others as well to be able to create what's it called? To be able to create a manual account from your VTU website. Okay. So now let's come here and go to create. So you come here and go to create. Okay, so you now choose the name of the person, like the name of the site the person wants. Let me see, the person wants name the site Adepoju 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 web web VTU web VTU web, something like that. So you just come here and VTU and website. Yeah, so the control of it should be let me say self-management. You want to be managing it yourself. Okay, but if you choose the empowerment, the empowerment program is not actually like very like advisable for most my students, but you can go on with it. But I've already explained it in previous videos, so you guys should understand it. So use the self-management, and you will put the person email address. Let me not say adepoduvtu blah 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 at gmail.com. Okay, so you can now be able to like create the VTU site for the person. So they will send it and the OTP and all the details to the person. So you have to be like chatting with the person. Okay, what they send to you that the person needs to forward it to you. Now you have to be very live and be able to speak to the person when you are like trying to create this type of stuff, and basically like very available by that time. So it's very easy, and so the person you can be able to set it up in a few minutes. It won't take you up to, let me say, 5 to 10 minutes, and the link should be available by then, and the person can start using it, and it all belongs to the person. Just explain some stuff to the person, or you can share some of my tutorial videos to the person as well. So that is just about it, guys. So that is that about you making money using your video site. Um, there are lots of profits, and actually for now that's what I can comprehend. And later on, if I remember anything, I always let you guys know. And I also drop some other few points to the BTU group. So see you guys again the next time, and wish you all good luck, and I hope you all like find this course beneficial. So I remain my humble self, the CEO of Barakish Company, Aminu Ali. Thank you all and have a blessed day.